Hi there. Let's talk about website design jargon for a while. And one of the things or terms that you might have heard of is a plugin. Now, a plugin is basically just a piece of software that has been written by a developer to add functionality to a website. I'll use an example like a form on a website is a plugin that has been written specifically to capture information and send it to you. Plugins can be quite simple. They can be like a form, or alternatively, they can be something as complex as an e-commerce store, which is also run by a plugin. The problem with plugins is that they are not all created equally. As I mentioned, plugins are written by developers. Some developers maintain the plugins over a period of time and update them as vulnerabilities occur or as the software that they are dependent on, for example, WordPress, updates. Should a developer not do this, the software will become redundant eventually and pose a possible risk to your website. So it's never a good idea to actually install plugins yourself if you're not 100% sure of what you're doing, and you should always request your web designer to do this for you. Also important is the maintenance of a website. So if a website is not maintained and the plugins are not updated regularly, it can cause a conflict, which would cause your website to crash, or alternatively, if an update is issued for that plugin because there is a vulnerability, that vulnerability would still exist on your website, which would allow hackers to be able to come into your website and do whatever they wanted, basically. So that's our tip today and our information regarding plugins. And we will have another video following shortly with regards to other aspects of a website like frameworks and stuff like that. And we will cover other jargon terms in this series as well. Thank you very much for watching.